Hey everyone, Lizzie Marie here with the Sparrow's Nest, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to decorate my farmhouse entry table for Easter. So right now we are in March 2020, which means right now we are during a time where coronavirus is going around, and so most of us are stuck in quarantine. We just got issued an order to stay indoors in Indiana, which I'd already been doing. So I know a lot of people aren't going to be able to go out and get the stuff that I was able to get. I went to Hobby Lobby like right before this shut-in happened. So I'm sorry that you're not probably going to be able to run out and get the decorations that I have. But I at least want to give you something to cheer you up a little, to give you a little Easter spirit. But maybe you have Easter decor from last year, or maybe you're still able to go out to a couple places. I know Target's still open, so you could probably grab some Easter stuff there. Because of this whole quarantine thing, I wasn't really able to do many DIYs. So I mostly just bought decor because I knew I probably wasn't gonna get a chance to do some DIY Easter decor. And that Hobby Lobby is where I got my idea for my theme for Easter. So they had a bunch of these really cool eggs, and I really liked these eggs. They have little plaid eggs. I thought these were so cute. And I'm really trying to do more like the farmhouse style decor. So I decided I was gonna go with a plaid theme. And they had a whole bunch of really cute plaid things. So I pretty much picked up all the plaid things, and they had a lot of cute plaid decor themes. So I got this little plaid bunny pillow. And they had this really cute plaid bunny banner, which I thought was so cute. I know, I say that word cute a lot. I really need to get a thesaurus and find other words. And to go with my plaid theme, I picked this up also. I also picked this up. I really like this. And along with that, I got this little welcome bunny thing. I also picked up this little fence. I thought this was really neat, so I'm probably gonna stick some things in there. And the last couple things I picked up from Hobby Lobby is this cross and this. I really like this. This is really beautiful. I'm really excited about this piece. And then I also, these were 50% off that day, so I picked this up. I always think, I love these farmhouse little tier trays, so I'm excited to fill that. I did pick up a couple things from the bullseye section at Target, like that front area section. I got these leaves, and these are only $1 each, which is a really good deal because they're usually $3 each. So I picked up a couple of these, and I also, wait, I didn't get this at Target. I got this at Joann's. And I also picked this up at Target. They had a bunch of these. These were only $1, and little bunny, so it goes with my bunny theme. Then I have a couple other things that I picked up from some thrift shops, and I also have some stuff that I got last year. Alright guys, let's get to it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate my entryway table for Easter. And I hope this gives you guys some ideas on how you can decorate, especially since you're stuck inside right now. You can at least have something pretty to look at. I feel like when I decorate, it gives me something that I really like to look at, and so it really does help improve like my mental health when I have something that I can look at that makes me happy. And before you do anything else, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video. So this is a DIY mason jar I made with chalk paint. You can find my DIY chalk paint video in the description box below. I'm just going to stick some flowers in here. I got these flowers from Hobby Lobby. I got this birdhouse actually from a thrift store for $3. And I got this Happy Easter with the bunnies and the cross that I'm going to put behind it. I got both of these at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to take my 2-tier tray and I'm going to fill it with these fake eggs. And on the bottom, I'm going to take my leaves that I got from Target and I'm going to place them in there and make it look aesthetically pleasing. And then just scatter a couple more of my eggs on top of the leaves. And I really like how that looks. And now I'm going to place my cross right over this. And I thought this turned out so beautiful. And this Every Bunny Welcome, I thought fit so well with the theme. And that I got at Hobby Lobby. Along with this bunny welcome sign. So there you see the top part. And here you can have a look, a closer look. I really loved the whole theme of the bunnies and the plaid. I thought it turned out really well. Alright, so now for the bottom shelf. And of course I have to add my favorite stuffed bunny. And we'll just place him in the basket and then put this little decorative basket behind him. This Easter wreath I got last year at Kroger, just a grocery store. And this pillow, the bunny pillow, I got from Hobby Lobby. Along with this little fence. And this little wreath I got from Joann's. And this little bunny I got from Target for $1. So I just put those all together. This pillow I got from Target for $5. And I ordered these beautiful tulips online. These are fake tulips. I think they're like, I can't remember the price, but I have the link below if you're interested in getting those in the description box below. So here you can just take a look at the setup, and I hope this gives you some ideas also. And I'm going to tie this all together by placing my banner across my entry table. And this ties the whole look together. I love this plaid bunny banner. And I actually don't even like plaid things. But when I saw all these plaid bunnies, I just thought they were so cute. I had to get it. So this is the first time I actually have purchased anything that's plaid pattern. And I'm so glad I did. Please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. I hope this gave you some ideas on how you could decorate for Easter. And I will see you next time.